Hey guys, for the travel trailer, I got this to carry along with our gear, and what this is an extra plug, because it can kind of ruin your trip if you're out somewhere and your plug actually shorts out and burns up because of bad connection. Sometimes I've seen where people don't put them back in, they drag them, wears them out, tears them up, gets chewed on by a dog. Anything can happen, but this way for your RV, you can have an extra plug, carry this in your RV if anything ever happens while you're out, and you can take and unscrew this, cut your wires off your old one, put them in here, plug it right in, so you'll be good to go. So it's a good thing to have with you, or if you already got a bad one, you can order one. If you use this one up, order another one, have you another spare in your RV travel trailer. I'm going to take this apart just to show you the inside of it and how the wires actually hook up, but pretty simple. Has a rubber grommet here, has good nice brass connectors, and this is 30 amp. They also have this in a female version. This is the male version. You can get this in female, and I will show you what it's like when we take screws out. Okay, so it does actually come with extremely good instructions, better than I've seen in a lot of stuff that a person buys. It has good directions showing you how to do it. It tells you how to cut your wires off and how to strip your wires, the length that you need to strip your wires, all detailed on a good instruction. So that's a big thumbs up and something that's rarely seen anymore, so I really appreciate that. All we have in here is Phillips head screws. It takes this apart. So we will buzz these screws out. It's nice that it has enough screws here to actually hold this thing solid, so it's obviously well made. Inside you can see this is our clamp, which goes to these screws here. Actually, I could have left these on because these are not the two screws that hold it together. So without not taking it apart, I guess I didn't notice that. That's why you read the instructions. So here we have the 3 posts right here, and we'll have our black terminal will go here, connect your black wire, and then our green terminal will go here. This is where we connect our green wire, and then our white here. So you'll take your other plug apart, strip the wires back like the directions show right here, put your wires on here, and bolt it back together. It's as simple as that. And this is also a rubber grommet, so this will be watertight on when you clamp it on. Okay, you can see my 30 amp plug right now. We're not actually in an RV park, we're actually in my garage, but I have it plugged in right here, so this here fits right on. One nice thing that I do like about this plug here actually has a flimsy pull, and I believe this thing's going to break pretty easy if you go pulling on it, but this one has a nice big heavy pull to put your finger in to pull this plug out, so that is a plus. I really like that it has that nice heavy pull place. So I'll put this in my cubby hole, stow it away until hopefully I won't need it, but someday I may need it. If that burns out or gets tore up or bent, ran over or whatever, I'll have it. When I use this, I'll go ahead and buy another spare and keep it in the RV at all times. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I will post a link to where you can get this BougeRV on Amazon below. Right on.